Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. So I think few people have joined in, so let's start the session. This is me, Diksha from Inner Dots. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for taking out time for this live session. I hope everyone is healthy and safe in this COVID time. Let me give a brief idea about Inner Dots. This is a community that aims to empower the creative brands. We provide technological driven mobile app that help us to drive life. Our app will be available in coming weeks where you can consume live on music, dance, art, cooking, baking, photography, yoga, and much more. And also today we are very lucky to have Jay among us. Jay is a born creative person since the age of 13. He has been attracted to colors when he tried out his first palette knife painting. His work mostly include abstract painting uses acrylic. His inner creativity comes to life when his inner thought of idea and transform into textured color on canvas. And guys, also I have one announcement for you. So when once you are done with the sheet, you can take a picture of it, tag inner dot or use hashtag inner dot app. Will feature each one of you on our Instagram story. And also tag Jay. He will also appreciate and share your work on his story. So I think, Jay, you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, now let me hand over to Jay. So over to you, Jay. You can start now.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you all. Hope you all are fine these days. Okay, so I'm Jay here and I will be teaching you abstract painting. So I'll turn on the camera of the device so you can see the canvas. Give me a second. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's visible.
okay. Just a second. Yes, so
मोबाइल में गूगल मीट इतना अच्छा नहीं है, लैपटॉप में अच्छा है.
So I'll show you some of my paintings first. So this is one of my
यही करके
paintings using
ज्यादा हो सकता है और कोई नहीं.
masking tape. Then this is one I tried using palette knife.
Wow, it's
Tried
very
making
nice.
a portrait. Thank you. Tried my first portrait using white color. Then this one is using the scale, which is a new technique. So these strokes of golden are using the scale. So this is another one. Then this one is made using razor, not eraser. The razor one which men used to shave. So this is the razor. And you can also make, you don't need the blade. You can remove the blade and you can use it to make abstract. This is another one using the blue cool colors and using the fluid colors too. So we'll start now. You can see the canvas. So we'll keep the canvas vertically. So first I'll tell you what colors we are going to use and I'll brief you what all we'll do in today's session. So we are going to use only four colors: red, white, brown, and blue. Only these four colors. Any shade of blue is fine. I hope I am audible.
Yeah, to me, you're audible. Guys, he is audible to you all.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll continue. So these are the four colors, and we are going to use the palette knife. Normally I use diamond shaped knife like this. And I'll brief you what we are going to make on canvas today. So first we are going to use white and blue to make the background, and then we are going to make a trunk and branches using the brown color, and with the red we are going to make the tree leaves with the earbud. So we'll start. First I'll tell you, then you can start doing. So we don't need a palette, we need a palette knife. So we'll first take white color, as we are going to do the background with white and a very light little of blue, very little of blue. Just a one drop is fine. You can use the palette knife and mix the shade using white and one drop of blue like this on canvas itself, as we're going to do the background with it, so we don't need a palette for it. Now we can start. Doing the background with this first. We are just going to mix and make the color. It's okay if the shade goes here and there, that's fine. You can mix the color, and then I'll tell you the next step. So this will, we have mixed the color using the knife. And then we'll pick the color like this, and you can start from anywhere on the canvas, from top to bottom or bottom to top. So taking this color like this, and then in this diagonal from right to left like this, we're just going to make small strokes like this. Picking the color, and then like this from right to left. I hope you all can see. Like this, we're going to cover the whole background with it. In case you make more color, if the color is left on a canvas, then you can take another canvas and you can make one more using that color, because you need to do it that time only because it gets dried fast, because it's thick. Like this. from right to left. So generally the colors which I use are thick consistency. And when you make like this, the 3D effect comes out like. And when it gets dried, the effect comes like 3D and it's really nice. Okay.
We can use any other color also, right, Jay?
Yeah, you can
As
use.
if we don't have white and blue.
Then you can use either yellow in the background or orange. You can either use that, yellow or orange in the background. If you don't have white and blue.
Okay. Guys, if you have any query, you can ask simultaneously. You can unmute yourself and ask. Jay will love to answer your questions.
Yeah, I would love to. You can ask me any queries. So I also keep uploading videos on YouTube. I have my YouTube channel as well, where I paint and make tutorial. So you can head over to the YouTube, which I will send in the description. I have more than 70 videos uploaded, so you can watch all of them. You can search Art by Jay on YouTube. The link is
Yeah, I
in
have
the
shared the link, Jay, in
yeah.
chat box. From there, guys, you can access and check out his videos.
So taking and putting like this, right to left, covering all the areas. I hope you all are enjoying doing with me.
Yeah, guys, and also you can switch off your video and showcase your art in front of everyone. How many of you are doing?
Come on, give me a thumbs up. Yes, that's good. A lot of you are interested.
Jay,
So,
someone has asked that if
yeah,
they don't have that knife, any alternative of it?
yeah, I was just telling. So, if you don't have a knife, then you can make like this similar. So, what I use is old credit cards. If you have like this at home, then you can use two of these and using the measurement which you can get on internet and make like this. So I tried making one of the palette knife like this shape. You can make it. You can make the handle using the cardboard, and so you can see. So this is one which I had bought and this which I had made at home using two unused old cards which you have at home. You can use this making many things. You can also make mountains using that. You can make clouds. You can make trees with that. So here. So we have completed the background.
Canvas.
Yes. Who's there? You can also use butter knives. Yes, that's good. Whoever wants to ask a doubt, you can call me Jay.
Sir, Jay,
Yeah,
size of the canvas you're using? A4, I guess,
yeah,
right?
A4, yes.
And that brand of the colors?
So the colors which I am using,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So I'm using the red, white, any shade of blue is fine, and
No,
brown.
that name,
Oh,
brand.
brand, yeah. Sorry. I
Okay.
use Brusto and Camlin. So these are the Brusto colors which I use, and also I use Camlin. Once you're done, you can show me a thumbs up so that we can move forward, move ahead.
Guys, you can also switch on your video and show. Anyone wants to do or wants to showcase their art?
Yes, ma'am.
Show Hiral.
Yes,
Very
Hiral,
nice.
that's nice.
Is it visible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, it's visible.
Keep making. Keep your brown colors ready. We are going to use them now in a minute. You can also check out my Instagram. I have uploaded photos of my artworks. You can see them. I will share in the chat. Acrylic color is necessary as you need to, as this is the thickness of the is required for palette knife. Thickness of the colors which are used for palette knife are required. Without acrylic colors, you cannot make a painting. As these acrylic colors are thick in consistency, and when you make them, it gives a great effect.
Jay, you can listen me.
Yeah,
Okay, I have red color only
yeah.
or white and black. So how to make this brown color you are saying?
So you can use black instead of brown if you don't have brown.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Jay.
Hello.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, you can ask.
After completing our art piece, how to wash this palette knife?
Yeah, you can take the palette knife and you can wipe it off with tissue, or you can wash it in water. It gets out
Thank
really
you.
well. So we'll move ahead. So you don't need a
Yeah, you can
palette
continue.
for the next step. You can use just a tube if you have tubes and knife. So I'll show you the next technique. So in the middle, we are going to make a trunk and some of its branches. So using this brown color, you can directly, like a thin line, on palette knife like this, on the back side of the palette knife. So this is the front side. So on the back side at the left side, like this. You can take the color, and with this you can, in the middle, you can dab it, or you can put like this, the brown color, making the trunk not too big. Don't spread too much of the color, otherwise it will mix with the blue as it's wet. As we need to do it on wet, otherwise after drying it won't get the effect. Like this. And same goes with the branches. One towards the left, like this.
हेलो, हम ब्राउन की जगह ब्लैक कलर यूज कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, you can use black. Like this. Slowly. Like this. One at the left. The other at the right. Thick at the bottom. As you go upwards, narrow it down. Like this. And few small branches. Like this. I hope you all are making.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. We'll show a few more small branches. Like this. So that's how we have completed with the branches. You can show more of branches if you want. Small branches. That's how we have completed with the part of making branches and trunk. And I'll wait for you all to complete, and then we'll move ahead. Like this, we have completed.
It looks amazing, Jay.
Yeah,
Very
thank you.
nice.
I love to make abstracts because it really relaxes me a lot. I enjoy making abstracts.
And I feel it's amazing because that sir is doing that. H.C. Gupta sir. He is
Yeah,
also learning from you.
yeah.
It's a kind of blessing. Sir,
My favorite.
you're mute, sir. I think he's trying to say something. Sir, can you hear me? You are mute, actually. You are not audible. Sorry, you are not audible. Anyone wants to showcase their art? Guys, you can show to Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
Cyril.
Oh,
visible?
That's
nice.
nice. It's really coming out well.
Wow.
Okay, so we'll move
Oh, wow,
ahead.
Akshita.
Yes, Akshita,
Jay, you
that's
can see
nice.
that, Akshita.
Yeah, I can see that's nice.
Yeah, you can continue, Jay.
Yeah. So now we are going
Show.
who wants to show.
Okay, Jay, you can continue now.
Yeah. So now we are going to use the earbuds 3 to 4, 5, 3 to 4, 5. 3 to 4 birds is enough, and you can put the rubber band.
Sir, I am not earbuds.
Then you can use palette knife to make some of the leaves. I'll show you one of the artwork which you can see and
They
you'll
can
get an
also use
idea.
that matchstick, I guess. Matchstick.
Yeah, you
Maybe
can also use that. Or back of the pencil, whatever if you have. You can also use the back of the pencil. So we don't need the palette. We are just going to press a little color and using the birds,
अब तो
just
ठीक आ रहा
putting
है,
it on the top
ज्यादा
of
चल
it.
रहा है ये देखना, अब ठीक है ना?
Like this. So you can see the color on top of the earbud. And slowly on the branches, we're going to make like this. Every time you put, again take one more time the color and then like this. Again taking the color in the earbud like this and then putting on the branches like this. Same again. If you don't have red, then you can use other colors like purple or orange. Like this. Dab, dab, dab. Take the color, dab, dab, dab. And this. Few near the thicker portions or branches. Again, take the color. like this. And a few patches like it's falling from the tree on left or right, like this on a few. It's like falling from the tree, like this. So after it gets dried, you can use a marker or a waterproof black pen and you can write your name in the bottom part. So that's how we have completed making our abstract. I hope you all enjoyed.
Wow, it's really amazing. I hope
Thank
everyone
you.
have enjoyed. And guys, don't forget to share your artwork with us. Anyone wants to showcase their art? Hiril, Akshita, SC sir. Tag Jai also and inner dots using
Yes,
hashtag inner dots
Kushi,
app.
that's nice.
Okay, wow. Amazing, Kushi. Share with us.
Thank you.
And as I said that I have two amazing announcement too. Is that in upcoming Saturday and Sunday we have two sessions of calligraphy and watercolor painting. So you guys can get yourself registered for that. We'll upload all the information on our Instagram profile. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ajay, someone have question. Can we make this?
Yeah. What's the question?
Can we make this from Fevicryl acrylic colors?
Yeah, so Fevicryl acrylic colors are not that thick, but if you're a beginner, we can try using that colors too. I had also used that acrylic colors as we get in touch with making. You can use
Oh
thick
wow.
colors. Yes, who's showing Akshita?
Ajay, you
Yeah,
can see that
that's
Akshita she has
awesome.
made.
The colors are really coming out well.
And one more question Janvi is asking that or making it with fabric acrylics paint. What about that?
I think so. It's the brand only, no?
Okay.
Different brands.
Okay. Guys, anyone have any question? Wants to ask from Jay?
Can I show mine?
Yes, Cyril.
Sure, you can.
Is it visible?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
that's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, how about mine? You can see?
Very nice, Cyril. Akshita, Khushi.
Uh, yes,
It's not
that's a lovely
visible.
one.
Yeah. Now black.
And
Yeah, black and that red one. Wow, very nice.
yes,
So kindly please share with us,
Actually, ma'am,
tagging in a
I
dots and
joined
Jay.
late, so I'm just I doing the sky. So, can I show the sky also?
yes, okay.
Sure, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, nice colors.
Thank you, ma'am. You
That's good.
conducted the class very well.
Thank you, sir.
I
We'll have
enjoyed.
more such sessions.
Who else is showing?
Asna want to show you? You wants to show us? Okay, all right, guys. So it's time to wrap up the sessions. Hope everyone have enjoyed to the fullest. If you want
Yes,
to
Koyan,
learn more
that's nice.
abstract from Jay, you can go to that
That's
YouTube
a lovely
channel.
word.
Okay.
I have shared the link.
Yes, ma'am, this session was really amazing.
Thank you, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am, it was really amazing.
Thank you, Disha ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
everyone for joining this workshop. I hope you really enjoyed this
And
one.
thank you, Jay,
And once
for
again,
taking
thank
out
you, Anita,
time
for giving
and
me this
yeah.
wonderful opportunity.
You're welcome. Thank you. See you all next time. Until then, take care, guys. Stay at home.
I'll show
Stay
you
healthy.
the watercolor and calligraphy.
Sure. Get yourself registered for that. We'll update on our Instagram handle. Everything. Okay?
Okay, so bye everyone.
Thank you.
Bye,
See you next
everyone.
time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Jay.
Bye.
Thank you, Jay. Bye.
Thank you, Jay, ma'am.
Thank you.